All right, guys, it's time for tip number 7. Now, tip number 7 means we got to get rid of the blue light at night. Now, the blue light is light emitted from your phone or your iPad late at night. All right, now this blue light basically comes through the eye, and as a result, it reduces the amount of melatonin you produce. All right, now melatonin is what puts you into deep sleep, that deep restorative sleep that we all need to basically be healthy as well as lose weight. All right, so what do you do? All right, now there's one thing you can do. You can always go back and start reading like real books. All right, now that's one option. All right, the other thing is, guess what? Apple, for one, has figured out that blue light is an issue, something that people are going to get away from their devices. So they've made a new thing. All right, now if you look here, look at my device here, if you can see it. All right, and you see the illumination, the little sundial here. You can push it and hold it, and something else pops up. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to see in the dark room. But basically it says night shift off. All right, now watch. I'm going to turn my night shift on. Let's see here. Turn on. And boom. Did you notice how it changed the color of the light? No more blue light. And bottom line is, now I'll be ready to go to bed. Now what they recommend is that you reduce your blue light emittance, all right, up to 90 minutes before you go to bed. All right, that's going to help you basically reduce that blue light. That way you produce more melatonin, you get into deeper sleep, and you get that great REM sleep that you need. Hope this helps. That is tip number 7.